This is Pioneering Spirit, a product of Lufthansa.
Welcome back. You're watching Pioneering Spirit, a product of Lufthansa. We have with us founder and CEO of the People Group at the Lufthansa First Class Terminal, the only airline in the world to have one. Joining us now are three young entrepreneurs who will make a short pitch on their businesses and ideas to Anupam and try and win his confidence. Each entrepreneur gets 2 minutes to make their pitch, followed by a short chat with Anupam, and one of these three entrepreneurs will eventually win a prize, a Lufthansa business class return ticket to their dream destination in Europe. They also get a mentorship by TIE. Our winner, though, could grab a spot on the Pioneering Spirit leaderboard. The leaderboard will eventually rank all winners from the episodes, and on the basis of their scores, the top three will get into the grand finale. So let's bring in our first entrepreneur today on the show. We have Kumar Anand, co-founder of Photocopy Incorporated. Welcome to the show. Come.
Hi Kumar, nice to meet you.
What does Photocopy Incorporated do? Photocopy?
Yes, we are into photocopying, and we see an opportunity for advertising on those photocopies that students take. This is how we work. We're based out of Chennai, and Photocopy Incorporated operates photocopying kiosks or partners with existing photocopying kiosks across various prestigious college campuses in Chennai. And on those photocopies that students take, we have some designated space for advertising, through which brands can reach out to these students directly right across the counter. We offer students photocopies at 10 paise per copy as against the 1 rupee which is available to them at a market rate. Now there are two inherent advantages to advertising with Photocopy Incorporated. Now when brands look to reach out to students, they can rest assured that the hit rates for the advertisements are guaranteed through us. Secondly, students will photocopy for a particular purpose. So they retain the photocopies with them for a long period of time. They do not discard them like they discard pamphlets or leaflets.
But getting them out there for 1/10 the price, I mean, does that make business sense?
Yes, it does to us because our revenue model is from the advertisers. We pitch our idea by saying that you will be passing on a tangible benefit to the
So you're
students.
basically able to subsidize the cost through the advertising revenue that you drive.
Precisely.
And how many brands have you been able to get on so far?
We've had about 10 brands advertising with us. We've been operational only
And
since...
these are local retail brands or these national brands?
We've had a mix of both.
But in revenue terms, have you tried to figure out how big the market would be in just what you're doing right now, just in Chennai?
Yes.
So what would be the size?
We are looking to first operate in across 20 colleges in Chennai, where we can do up to 3 lakh photocopies in a month.
What would that mean in revenue terms?
About 6 lakh rupees.
6 lakhs, so 2 rupees per photocopy. Okay, excellent.
Thanks very
Doing
much.
some great stuff.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Onwards to our next entrepreneur on the show, who Anupam is going to meet, Karan Shava, who is the CIO and MD of IDOBRO. Welcome.
Hi Kiran, nice to meet you.
So tell us a little bit about IDOBRO, and now what's the name all about as well?
IDOBRO, the name itself, is actually about what we do. It's taking enterprises through the process of impact, which is the 5 I's, is inform, interface, interact, integrate, and therefore creating impact. And those are really the services that we provide, which is about promotion, communication, media, marketing, real professional tools. What we really look at is business strategies. So if tomorrow a company really wants to go to market looking at women, or looking at social cause related marketing, or looking at social message advertising, and we've seen some huge campaigns around that. How do you build those strategies where you are actually doing ground activation, where it is not just a photo op? And I think a lot of people are realizing that and looking beyond that photo op.
So you're the connect in the middle for these companies.
In one way, we are a platform where we are connecting people, but on the other side, we are actually implementation partners because we provide
No,
the
it's very
tools.
interesting. I've actually seen a couple of people trying to do this. My first question is, how do you scale? And my second question is, what intellectual property are you building to help you scale? And finally, maybe you can touch upon, are you looking at social media very aggressively to facilitate most of what you're doing?
Absolutely. As I said, we have to use every single professional tool that is out there, because that's the only way we're really going to make the difference. So what we have looked at right from day one, from the time we have started, and I guess that's part of being the pioneers, right, is that we have looked at a very holistic and an integrated model. Everything we do has to feed into the next segment that we are working on.
Okay, Kiran.
Catch you
Good
later on the
stuff.
show.
Thank you so very
All the
much.
best.
Thank you.
Thanks. We'll call upon next Hemant Kumar Das, MD of Natural Dairy. He's joining us on the show as a third entrepreneur. Come on in.
Hi, Hemant. Nice to meet you.
So you're a private dairy business.
It's a private dairy business, professionally managed. We are into the rural milk collections system. We have made producers company.
What's your differentiation? Let me ask you that.
See, by and large today, the focus of all the dairy industry is on the urban market. But we are trying to develop the rural market.
Okay.
We have got a network there, and
So you're primarily going to supply to the rural market?
no, it's not the primarily, but the revenue model is more focused on the rural market, and the urban market.
Let me
is
ask you
already
this,
there.
how much business are you doing today?
By 31st March, we'll be crossing around 15 crore business.
15 crores?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, we'll chat with you in detail ahead as well. Thank you very much.
Congratulations on building a great business.
Thanks. So think about them, Anupam. We'll give you a few minutes because at the end of the day, out of the three entrepreneurs, one of them is going to make it as the winner. We also